here. So here's the squeeze off the open. Obviously took my short off, and we're waiting to see if we clear out this liquidity above us into the 40s and maybe drive up to the top side of value from overnight, which is at 818s. I'm going to take these gap levels off. There's one too many things on the screen right now. Big old squeeze up into previous day low, and we'll see if they get caught up here. Very, very possible they get caught up here. Looking to see if buyers get caught up here, and I'll be looking for the short if they do. Starting to put some orders out here. Yeah, they're starting to put some orders out at 20s and below, so I think we're going to get a wash back down to these 28s here. If they support 28s, then they will re-squeeze it. It's where sellers just came in. Yeah, they're continuing to put orders out there. And now adding orders above. They're looking for a squeeze through 60s and 70s now. So I'm just going to let this calm down because this is very quick here. So they're going to look to trade previous day low up to 80s now. Man, it's moving so quick that bookmap can't keep up. Here's the move to 80s and then 800s like we talked about. Through here we can look at 900s. But I'll be looking for pushes to fail up here to see if I can fade it back down. Still think this is the second leg up, which will probably be sold into. Here's previous day low. Next thing through this would be the 800 whole number. Coming up to the 800, then we're thinking about 29,000. Need to be very careful because this is the base. If they base above this now, they can complete
order
the rotation
filled.
to 900.
Order
filled.
That
fails. I would imagine it just depends whether they want to go all the way to 900 or they're done with it before that. So here's the 800. Still squeezing. Lots of buyers coming in here. This might be the end of the auction. We're about to find out. The buyer got caught at 800 on the dot. Levels up here. So if pullbacks now hold 750s, it means a reclaim. More buyers coming on in here. This is just a squeeze. I think this will be sold into. I think this is about to be sold into. Here we go, under the 800s. We might get a breakdown here now.
looks like gold is
800s is
trying to test that gap there.
It was right at 800. It was right at 800, that player. They reclaimed him straight away. Oof, look at that reclaim. That's quick. Still think there's probably a breakdown coming. Again, guys, you do not need size in this market. Look how quickly we are moving. You do not need size in this market. You think it's going to close the gap? I mean, it's possible. It's possible. Like we said, if we base over 700, 750s, it's possible. We'd have to watch 900s.
5,300 is what we're looking for.
We can't rule that out. Like, we can't rule that out.
Order filled.
Here's the squeeze. So they're going for the 900s. Previous day value area low here. Big old squeeze. You can see they're adding liquidity above. ES coming into previous day low. Yes, previous day low. I would say we're probably going to fail somewhere up here for at least a pullback to 700, 750s. They're going to need to check this level, right? So if buyers are adamant on reclaiming range, they need to do this, really. There's probably a peak out coming.
Order submitted.
What I would imagine. Still
Order submitted.
VIX losing 23, so VIX can trade down the 20s if it wants. Very aggressive take here this morning.
Order cancelled.
Liquidity out here, you can see a shelf here being developed at 30. If they can hold this shelf, they're going to look for 900s up here. If they lose this shelf, we will drop quickly to here and here. This
Order filled.
Now can potentially on demand. Potentially. You can also slice straight through it, folks. They're trying to get that break up towards the 900 previous day value area low.
There might be still a little bit of a push for the bearish move here, but I might have to close out here.
That was it. Okay, it's a low VIX. Big level up there. we're going to be bullish. It needs to pull back and hold this. Otherwise, I think this is still a 2-leg, which is probably sold into. But we're going to find out. Just got to let it do whatever it is it wants to do. No failure yet. They're still just squeezing and holding and squeezing and holding. It is impressive. How high do they come? The first attempt to move higher there.
Oh, a lot of sellings came in.
Into 60s again. They're going to try and lift through 60s.
Are they absorbing this?
Fast. Here you go. So they're trying to lift through this. They're adding at 900s now. And a break over 900s, you are looking at 25,000. It's amazing that they've done this all in one go off the open. Just think, guys, we've been open 7 minutes and we've moved from 6 almost to 9s. Just let that sink in how fast this tape's moving right now. We've moved from 6 to 9s.
I have to average in a little bit more.
7 minutes.
Order filled.
Why didn't we go long? Where's the setup long? It never pulled back. It's a straight squeeze. You can't just because it moves a direction doesn't mean there's a setup. Do you understand that, guys?
Yeah, can't.
Order filled.
Gotta close.
I
think
order filled.
I think they just got the
I'm not
squeeze.
chasing this after it's breaking out. It's got to pull back and give me the setup. And I'm definitely not going to do that. Like, you chase this market and when they're done with it, if it's illiquid, you are going to get absolutely wrecked. This is not a market to chase on a day where we move fast like this. Here's the pullback now coming. So into this shelf here. If they lose this shelf, we're going to wash right down to the 800s and 90s.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, there's a lot of like orders here for shorts. I think they're trying to squeeze them out. I had to take the reverse now.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. See that?
Short from here, not yet. Wait to see if we lose the
It's
shelf.
squeezing.
Wait to see what we do at the shelf.
5387.
Still holding this on me. Still holding this for now. If we start losing these shelves, I'll be more interested in it for sure. At the moment, still holding stuff. Sort of that 930 level is a big level. Under that, potential breakdown towards 800. At the moment, we're still holding 930s. Trying to get aggressive now. Still being absorbed at 930s. There we go. Here's the break. All right, let's try a bit here. See if we get any follow through. Tiny size because they can trap and go higher. Here's the break. So see if we get 800s on this break. TP into some here, into this 800. And let's see if we get a breakdown to 700, 750 now. Here's the 800 tag. Need to see a breakdown under this now if they're going to get aggressive. Really nice.
Order submitted.
TP1 here. Let's just see if they get follow through. Otherwise, they pull straight back up.
Order submitted.
Do a little 2-leg back up to see if they resell this now. Big level here.
Yeah, this is crazy of the move.
Do they want to let this go?
Don't tell me they just flushed out everyone.
Cut the rest out.
Wow, they did. They flushed out everyone. Like, I can't believe I didn't close out those cells a little bit sooner.
Give it a chance.
Yeah, silver is doing the same move.
This is what's key now. Claiming now. They reclaim they should go 9s.
366.
They reclaim they should go 9s.
Yeah. 366. Got a lot of short orders there.
Stuck there again. All right, I will consider a re.
If it goes above that, that's it's hurting a lot of people.
We start to stay heavy.
Yeah. If it clears above 366, it's going to be a quick move.
Video 1% up. They're trying to find a bounce on the video. Amazing. Nice. Let's see if they want to snap here or not. Oh, I got filled without a spread. That must have opened up real quick there. I didn't see that spread and taking that straight off. Put a limit on and got filled. That's very odd. Really odd. I had a limit put up at 30s. We were trading at 07s and I got filled. That's weird. Don't like seeing that. Right, still looking for the short here. If we keep rejecting, just got to be very, very careful of that grey box above and VWAP. Right, we're above VWAP currently. Here's the 800 test again. They break down under 800, we've got a chance to start moving. Big level. They keep holding 800s and reclaim 830, 840. They will try for the 9s and 25,000s. It's big, 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 big level here. Reclaim straight away. Look at this. Look at how fast we're moving between these. Nvidia does not want to let go. They are desperate to hold that shelf. 1.5% up. I don't think that will last long.
Wow, I can't believe they're going to try and make the hourly candle go bullish. That is a crazy...
Okay, back down to these 820s. Wow. Maybe we trade 800s again here. They've stacked 800 down to 790. If we get follow through under that, we can come right down under here. So we need to see now they're building out more and more liquidity down here on each travel in. Right, so it's here or here, or it's here or here, and this is the decision point. This is fair value currently in the session. To VPOC, to this same level, they can't make their mind at. Nvidia's still holding this market up. They look like they want one more squeeze out here.
Order filled.
Nope.
Gotta wait for that 800 break.
So I gave back some profits in the previous session here. I don't know what's going on with my quant tower
Still absorbing
data feed here.
Very fast moving tape here, guys. Still absorbing 800. Meta now red to green. Impressive. VIX starting to find a bid off 22s. All right, it's starting to find a bid off 22s here. First attempt. If they can't break down VIX under 22s, then this market might get in trouble.
Why am I not seeing the data on my bars?
It's got upside potential on the VIX. We'll see. We're at a very sensitive area. I've got to remind myself because it's news. What time is it? 9:45. So there's news about to come, folks, as well. Just remember that. They reclaim grey box, so they're going to go for another attempt of a squeeze up for higher day.
I don't know what's going on here.
Come on.
Well, hello, Kumar.
I don't want to just get stuck here. You're going to go 9s, just go and do 9s. Let's not do the
Don't mind my setup here. I'm just still trying to figure out everything right now.
We've already gone.
For some reason, my trading view is not even showing on the actual stream.
This week's value, which is not a good sign, to be honest. And they've not pulled back to hell there. You need to be understanding of previous week chart was, oh god, rid of that. It was between these levels.
There we go.
Really don't want to trade between these levels again. We really do not want to trade between these levels again.
Yeah, you can see that now. There we go. Okay, so I got that up. What's going on with my quant tower? Yeah, what's going on with my quant tower? I can't see these numbers.
900, so they're going to go for a re-squeeze here. Previous day value area low. Globex high, and if they get through that, maybe gap fill, we can't rule it out. Which would mean overnight traders had all the fun.
Well, a lot of sellers came right back here. Should I re-enter in the sells here on gold?
Yes, almost into Globex.
But
just catch
they're
more
saying
buyers.
There's news. Is there news? Yeah, 13 minutes.
That look above 900 and fail. Don't just chop it right back down. If you just get stuck here, there's going to be nothing to do the whole session, which is going to be amazing, given that we've had 600-700 points of movement, and then we're just going to get stuck in a fucking chop fest here. Come on, market. Don't do that to us.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'll take some sells. Hopefully I'm out of this position before the news come in.
Order filled. Order filled.
So 4 contracts.
Order filled.
5. 330 is the target here. $16 more drop.
We're really just
Guys, we're looking at like 330 right here, like
Seriously.
right here.
Can you please hurry up and do something? Unbelievable.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so I got 11 contracts in, going for 330.
Starting to see this retest 840s. If they let go of 840s, they're going to come to 800s again. If they
Order
let go of
submitted.
That, as a move down to retest.
Let me just put a TP
retested
here.
since
I hope
it's
I'm doing
going
this
Order
TP right
submitted.
on here.
off the open. And we are now starting to base out here and build a lot of volume. We've been up here
330.
basically the whole time now since, what, 4 minutes,
we
3
go.
minutes into the day. So straight upside shoot and then sideways in like a 80 to 100 point chop.
Yeah, in about like 11 minutes, I got to be out of this trade.
Feels like they're going to want the Globex. Surely they're going to want Globex levels at this point. Just why are you taking so long to do it? Here they go. Now finally going to go for it, are they? No, stuck again. Need a clear out here. Can't trade anything without a clear out. And there's no fucking way I'm buying up into this. All right, the buy point, like we talked about, would needed to be a breakout and pullback. They're not pulling back anywhere near this. It's straight squeezing at this point. Oh my god, it's Groundhog Day. It is Groundhog Day. Incredible.
Order cancelled.
Into the 900s. If we get through here, we can't rule out 25,000. And there's no way of trading this right now.
Order filled.
For me, the pullbacks
Okay, gotta average in now those
Big seller
little
coming in
random
here at
pullbacks here.
56s.
But the structure on the 5
Still
minutes, it's
liquidity above.
kind of bearish on gold.
Incredible. Still hasn't cleaned out Globex.
Yeah, let's see here.
This is just ridiculous at this point. How are you not cleaning stuff out?
Not liking it. Come
Order
on.
filled.
You gotta go and clean it out, man. Please. No trade until we clear it all out.
Order filled.
Base above 900, they're going 25,000. Again, I'm not buying up here. I need a retest of one of these levels. I'm not going to just buy up here. It is a psychopath move to be doing that. Absolute psychopath move. VIX now under 22s. Previous day high here, VIX. Previous day value area low coming up on the NQ.
A lot of
Globex
shorts
coming up
being
on
absorbed.
The NQ, about to sweep it. Finally. Please don't stop short of that. ES has taken it. Come on, Qs. Don't you dare.
Come on. Give me like, what is
Get
it, 500 bucks
going,
on
because
this?
I can't do anything if you're going to get stuck up here. Got to come and clean this out.
Come on.
Why do I feel like we're going to leave it now? Divergence at the high here so far. Oh, you horrible bastard. Really want to see this be cleared. If we're going to be short... This is like last week. It's literally doing exactly the same thing. It's leaving levels. ES is taking it, and then we're getting stuck and chopping.
Come on, clear that.
Oh my god.
Clear that VWAP here. You know you want
It is
to
a
grab
repeat
this.
of last week right now, which is amazing given everything that's happened over the weekend. Market's starting to turn here. Which means I'm not going to get the
Order
best price
submitted.
for short if we're not going to clear out.
Okay, let's see.
Order submitted.
This might move quick. I gotta put a.
Starting to see some sell absorption up here now. This is the big level, remember, on the options we talked about. 95 and then 895 and then 935. We're starting to see a turn on this. There's the turn. All right.
There we go.
Oh, dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. I'm going to have to wait for a
this is going to be a run. It's going to run to the 330s.
Hilarious. Still looking for pops to
Order
fail.
filled.
But, yeah, I mean,
out.
we can still play short under here now if we're going to lose that. But the way they've set this up is the worst possible. Literally, they couldn't have set this up worse if they tried. Not clearing out. I mean, that's
now I gotta wait.
That close to it, not clearing out. Back
I
into fair
got to
value.
wait.
We might well pop up off this again now. I would have to play shorts under here with VWAP above us now, underneath to support. It's literally, I can't think of a worse setup to play short than what we're getting right now, but we'll see. Let's see. We're into those big gamma levels though. So 895, 935, the big gamma levels. We need to see pops fail, or we're going to need to see us move underneath this shelf and let go of it drastically, and then pops fail on that. Right back to fair value right now. We can just chop here continuously now. Why is the clear out so vital? Because otherwise, if we're playing short, we're leaving a reason for this to drive higher, right? What we want to do is take that reason for the market to move higher away. All right, watching this now for a short side if we're going to leave this block. And like I said, the hardest thing now is that we've got VWAP and everything else underneath us to support it. They've made it very, very hard now. On purpose, obviously. So the only options here now, and this is a very, very tough trade, is if we leave this now to trade down into this, I'll be looking short. If we reclaim that, it's risk off because we have a reason to come up here, and that's the worst thing about it in my mind.
Wow, I cannot believe, like,
down here right now for a retest.
I closed out my shorts like somewhere around here.
This is insane. Out. So they're going to make this very hard with how they've set it up. Who are they? We think of the market as one person. It's much easier to think of the market as one person. All the banks, all the liquidity providers, all the market makers, all the hedge funds. One person. They. Yeah, the boogeyman. Yeah. Oh, God. Well, starting to chop around at at current week value area high, developing profile, and point of control from this session. I mean, can we get worse than this? Can we get worse than this? We can gap down 500-600 points, reclaim the whole thing, and then just fucking chop. Honestly, market. Begs belief. Yeah, it's only you. Everyone else can hear me. You need to obviously turn your volume up or on. Efficient price action. I mean, efficient price action would be up into here. It'd be asking an awful lot out of the market. Can't rule it out, like I said. Can't rule it out. But again, opportunities to get long? None. Opportunities to get short? None, really. They're taking opportunities away. Remember, the move that we wanted, that we've had overnight, is what I wanted all of last week. It was a very obvious move. They did it when I was asleep. I mean, they know what they're doing. They take the moves away from you. Back to VPOC here. So if we fail this, I'm still interested, but the problem is, like we said, we've got those VWAPs above us now supporting price action.
Yeah, I gotta change up my setup here. I gotta move
watching this now again.
some things around here.
If we leave VWAP and start to fail now, I'm really interested. Microsoft and Nvidia are still holding this market up. If they start to sell, it'll be much more interesting. We're going to get chopped to death here today by the looks of it. Incredible. Incredible. Oh, you gotta laugh. No, they didn't. They did not take Asia and London. They did not. The orange line above you, above price, that's the whole problem. They didn't take Asia and London. They didn't peak into previous day value. They came just short of it, which is why I'm saying it's very hard to think about the short here, because they've purposefully left this liquidity here, knowing that if you play short here, they can run this, and if they run that, there can be a large stop hunt. They have purposefully done this. You have to understand how they're setting this up. Bias is short side, but they've made this very hard. We haven't we've reclaimed previous week value without retesting it, and we haven't cleared out. So now we get stuck. This is what happens, because people who are smart enough to understand what we're doing, like me, don't want to play this. They're looking at this going, fuck me, this is a high risk scenario now. Yeah, more news coming top of the hour, isn't there? You're right. Manufacturing. I don't think too many people will be looking at that today, if I'm honest. I think it's likely we move down. Honestly, it's likely we move down. It's just whether they can want to do the clear out first, at least to retest this. How can we rip from 6 to 9s, 300 points, no retest at all? So just run all the shorts out, exhaust them, and then hopefully trap some bulls, and then maybe give the move if we're lucky. But I mean, at the moment, it's not saying anything. We're literally not going anywhere, folks. We haven't gone anywhere since 5 minutes into the day, really. Really, when you think about it, we really haven't gone anywhere. Okay, they're having one more attempt to go up to the highs. Remember, there's a seller who came in at 86s. Above that, it's all buy side.
It's looking like sells over here, but
very disappointed because it's not giving.
It's not looking good for my actual silver positions here.
So they find a bid here in the grey box again. At the moment,
not liking my silver positions. Yeah, my PSLV is down by a whole dollar. Oh man! But what's my Halliburton trading?
It's respecting VWAP. Yeah, it is. It's respecting your VWAP. Like I said, it's the biggest problem now with how they've set it up.
Oh, what?
Back to VPOC again.
Why did Halliburton drop at the open? It was opening very high at $38. Yeah, you know what? I think this is just a flip. Oh, the news is out.
Patience, yeah. The problem for me is not even patience. It's that they've taken my play away from me last night, and now they're not giving me an A+ scenario now. Look at this nastiness on the news. What are we doing there? Stuck at VPOC again. They're still rebidding VPOC. There's someone absorbing 45s here. Once he's out of the way, it probably gets a nasty wash. Still absorbing 45s. Big selling here. Still being absorbed. Still being absorbed. Still being absorbed. Still being absorbed. This is incredible. Still being absorbed. Still being absorbed. Jesus Christ. How much size have you got down there? Someone is on the tape at 45s. Once he goes, there'll be waterfall.
I'm tempted to take another sells on gold just to break these levels.
All right, so let's see if we trade value area low now. In this short now, folks. See if we get follow through.
Yeah, it's looking kind of thin. That we actually might test this gap. Yeah, 5,300. So $30 drop from here.
never gonna make it. You're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man? You must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible. It's not probable. You're irresponsible. Too many
You might get it. They actually might get the sells on these.
Be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back.
That's a lot of volume going in here.
Aren't you just gonna take that?
They just absorbed all of that. Yeah, let's take the
Order
shorts.
filled.
Let's take the shorts on this.
Order filled.
You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a straight kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds.
Like, I want silver and gold to go up, but just from what it's looking at, they're trying to go reach for the 5,300. The price right here, the 5,300 level, this gap that.
Maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back?
It's trying. It's trying to go there. $37 drop.
Order filled.
Okay, let's keep on averaging in. A lot of buying just happened there,
Order filled.
but is it going to be absorbed?
Order filled.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up.
Wow, man, this gold is just moving so fast.
Keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best.
Order submitted.
Live with every breath, see my
Order submitted.
and I had so many
Let's see if it will actually go there.
really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm
So I put like a little take profit around the 53.17, just in case if it moves quick. But I actually might manually just close out. Value area low. I don't know if it's going to actually break that. But the volume is showing that like it wants to go there. It wants to go there. And there it goes. There it goes.
Order
Closing.
filled.
So my Lucid account, I'm just waiting for it to pass the eval. I'm above the $9,000 profit, so I'm just using the Quant Tower platform just to look at the data. But I think they might have turned off my data feed here because I cannot see anything. For some reason, I'm not seeing any data here. What's going on here? Wow. Are they flushing it up now? Okay, yeah.
Order filled.
Let's take some buys here. Yeah, that's a lot of buying that came out of nowhere. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it's sitting on that point of control. Oh.
Order filled.
So I got to be careful. I have a consistency rule on take profit trader on these eval. So I haven't gotten used to placing trades on the Ninja Trader yet. Like I don't know how to manually enter and then put in a take profit and a stop loss. But yeah, just waiting. Ugh. Wow, did I really exit it out at the top there? Well, I don't know what's going on with my Quant Tower here. I guess gotta wait for tomorrow. I can't place any more trades on my take profit trader. I'm at $3,900 for the day. Based on my consistency rule, I can only profit like $4,500. Even though this is a very high volatile day today, being able to get in and out of your trades is pretty beneficial right now. But I gotta wait. I gotta wait for tomorrow. And I think tomorrow is my last day. Not my last day, but the bare minimum day to be able to pass the evaluation on this account. I'm kind of excited if I manage to actually pass this account. I'll I heard a lot of great things about the take profit trader. To see, you can literally start withdrawing money from the account after you pass the first and threshold. So here I have the 150K account. I think my threshold on the 150K is I need about like a $4,600 profit as a buffer. But knowing me, I'm probably going to build this up to at least like 10 or 15K before I start withdrawing. Yeah, can't make any moves. And right now, man, like I'm looking at the book map, looking at all the order flows, and to be honest, I still can't see the value of using bookmap for the instrument like gold. It is moving way too fast. Orders getting filled at like the 10-cent mark. There's a lot of ticks going on, and I'm not understanding the data as to how I'm complementing with my trades. Like the footprint is a little bit more valuable because you can see where most of the bulk is. I'm trying to set up the trade detector, like the big orders on the NinjaTrader, but I don't have the funds to actually get that indicator right now on it. It's about like $700 Canadian. That is a little bit more valuable than the bookmap in my opinion. But I've only been using bookmap for about a week right now. But I rarely look at the bookmap for anything. Like I'm trying to train my eyes to look at it to see what is that I'm seeing. I see these big bubbles of like red and green areas of other absorptions and everything, but it's so misleading on gold because these contract sizes are so massive. And there's a lot of spoofing orders. Someone enters in and puts in a buy limit and a sell limit for like stop losses to take profit, and then the minute price moves in like 2 or 3 ticks in our direction, the bot automatically readjusts the limit orders and everything. So it's not even an actual person putting these orders on gold. Yeah, so it's a good thing with bookmap. I've only booked like a 3-month subscription. I think after that, I'm most likely not going to renew it. It really is overrated. Like a lot of people that use it on stream and all that stuff, I don't see them leaning on bookmap a lot. It's mainly footprints and trade detectors. I'm telling you right now, I think gold today is going to test that gap that happened on yesterday at 6. This gap is probably going to get filled. It's going to be bad for my silver positions, my long-term silver positions, but for what I'm seeing, it looks like it's going to be it's going to be closing that gap. Not liking it. Oh, finally, Halliburton crashed at the open to pull back up. I guess we're gonna have to wait on those positions there. Yeah, I don't see the value with bookmap here.
Dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got
Let's see here. How to... Man, how do I work with this Ninja Trader here? How to... Auto lock dashboard. Oh no, there goes gold. It's gonna go and try and reach that the gap fill there. You really gonna go for it, gold? It's a lot of selling that happened there. Oh wow, gold. I think it's called pin. Use a fixed layout. Save your custom layout by going to tools, options, layout, save layout. Okay, tools, options, huh? I don't see any layouts here. Okay. Yeah. It's gonna be boring, guys. If you guys are tuning in right now, it's gonna be very boring for the next little bit because like I'm done trading for the rest of the day. Like I just wish that all these accounts are funded so that I can literally just call it a day. I'm still working towards getting my first payout on either platform, which is Lucid or Take Profit Trader, until Apex returns or enables gold trading and everything. I won't be trading on the Apex platform anytime soon. I don't like trading the NASDAQ or the S&P 500. I prefer the gold because it allows me to trade in the Asian market as well. If I see some crazy moves, I can capture that. I don't like trading the NASDAQ, so it didn't work out for me. Not my thing. I've been a little bit more have more success with gold than I did with the NASDAQ now.
Social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking ask bitch. I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, planning to happen. So I will go capture it and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it. Put 'em on blast.
They are really trying to keep silver down here. Really trying to push silver down.
Democratic, they phone effects, yeah, bitch. I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We about to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out.
My eyes are always moving away from looking at bookmap because I don't know.
Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly. So stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be.
Yeah. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm looking at.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. Don't try to stop me now. Yeah, it's too late for you, not for me. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. learning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better grab yourself a sack. And tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip, don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't go back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now. A life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just get your grit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve.
Ugh. Seeing all this price action and I cannot get involved.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.
Oh. You've passed the alley valuation. Okay, upgraded to funded. Okay. What does this mean? Submit. Your account will be active within 5 minutes during market hours. Oh. Oh. I can start trading on my Lucid account today. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to be right back, guys.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, heart impact. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and pass. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask, grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused. Call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now. Y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember, you're discreet now. Get ready for defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over. Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. March until it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless. While others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss. And honestly, I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest. I will not quit till 10,000 people going off. When I drop this, I gotta make it now. Swear to God I'm breaking out. Swear to God I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Saying modest but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt,
Just like
yeah.
a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over.
Yeah, it's our time to shine. Yo, that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, yeah. Thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And though I am not going through life regretfully, I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy, I'm getting there. Forgotten souls, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fold, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she home, it's shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping, don't know my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up. Hard words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section, and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected, and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, told me I won't make a name, but it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins, feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. Yeah. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing to something. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want in life. Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found the passion for music never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away, so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her, man, go die for her, man, cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this, fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it. Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose. 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 I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now.
All right, we are back. So minimum profit on my Lucid account is $250 a day. Okay. Same credentials for me logging in. Kind of curious. Oh, so my data fee changed. All right.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no, I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy.
I think gold is gonna break out now. 10:45.
And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. My life till it's over, and I will not forget.
Ranging here at the value area high based on the volume profile, but maybe 346 is where I would like to take some buys, maybe. Well, that's a lot of sells I'm seeing. Ooh. What is silver doing here? Silver is holding. So let's take some buys. So I'm in on some buys right now. It just touched the daily VWAP. We're trading in the very high volume area. Like this is where most of the volume has been transacted here. Can go either way. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, silver is also dropping with it. Come on, I'm looking for at least like, you know, $1,000 today on my Lucid account here. I should have averaged down a little bit more when it aggressively moved there. Because it touched like 2 VWAP areas and everything, and we're at the point of control for the day. A lot of transaction that's sitting here. It was at 340, and now we're at the next area, 350. If it gets over the 350...
Absorption MGCJ6 COMEX sellers at 5,348.8.
What? That's a weird little feature on Bookmap. Was there an absorption there? It's saying that like someone absorbed a lot of buyers here. So it's pushing down? Is that right? 11 minutes. Yeah, wicks on both sides. Yeah, I'm definitely forcing a trade here. Well, that buyer that supposedly got absorbed, it's above its price now. Again, that 350 price point, a lot of orders there. It needs to get above that. It's finally above it. Will it hold? No. Whoever's at the 350 is constantly selling it. It's just selling, slamming sells. You just gotta get above 350, and then it clears all the way up to 358. Take it above it. Just clear above 350. That 350. Again, couldn't hold above it. Okay. Like, there's a lot of support here, man. 340. A lot of orders are transacting at 340. Sitting on the VWAP, point of control for the day. If we lose this, it's going to flush all the way down really hard. And I want to get caught up in the bad side of this trade. Silver, what are you doing here? Yeah, they're protecting that 340. It's a lot of contract size. We're talking about double the amount of contract size around 340 that was transacted. They're really protecting it. They tried to, but it's just getting absorbed. But again, 350 is another ceiling price. It's a very tight price point here, $10. Come on, just clear the 350, man. Just bring it past 350, and then I'm out.
I don't care what they all say. That's right. I'ma do this thing my way. Let's go. Been grinding hard on it all day. Okay. We work hard, then we all play. Yeah. I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right. So I refuse to waste time, man. Yeah. One day it all will be fine, man. Let's go. Gotta commit to the climb. You know we're back with the Guinness, setting records every minute, every track, in addiction to the fact that we're winning. Still we lack, something's missing, need a track.
5 more minutes till the hour close.
That's right. I swear to God that I could drop you, bro. Yeah. I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.
Sitting on there. A lot of orders. Now the order is up at the 341 they're trying to protect. Yeah. Ooh. $340.
I wanna say something. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I don't know where she came from.
It's very thin down here.
I wanna say something.
She a dime, wanna make her mine. Heard through the grapevine, she a great time. Yeah, it should be a goddamn crime to look that damn fine. Gotta lock her up and throw away the key, or you could lock her up and give the key to me.
Yeah, I had to close out.
Drop it down to the ground floor. And explore. Ooh, baby, I just want
Gotta take the sells because I think it's gonna break this level and gonna fill that gap now.
a rock star. Yeah, that shit is looking rock hard. Yeah, rock hard. I would put her on the roster. The roster. 'Cause she keeps on getting hotter and hotter. Ooh, baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh, baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh, baby, let's go.
At the last hour, they're really gonna push it. Big selling volume came in. Oh wow.
Oh, she looking straight from the city. Oh man, she looking so pretty. Goddamn, I'd like to get busy. Yeah, so baby girl, come with me. Yeah, we take it outside, oh yeah. Wanna stay up all night, oh yeah. Wanna get it all right, oh yeah. Now she wanna skip the slide. She got a fine ass body with her head on straight, and she look a little naughty, but that's a-okay. Now I wanna get a drink, just you and me. I don't really wanna think, I just wanna be. She giving third-degree burns, man, I think I need a doctor. Got me concerned, cause she got me hot and bothered. Everything she earned, didn't get it from her father. Man, you think I learned, but she turns me to a monster. Let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh, baby, let's go. She doesn't take it slow. She's putting on a show. She's acting like a pro. Oh, baby, let's go.
Well, looks like I might be blowing this Lucid account again. Oh. Whoa.
Yeah, let's go.
Yep.
Make a couple stacks, do exactly what I
Got it.
mix a couple tracks,
Taking some buys now at the bottom of that gap fill.
get me faded till I'm gone.
I think that's where they're trying to take it.
Couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone.
Yeah, silver.
Absorption MGCJ6 COMEX buyers at 5,300.
Oh, wow. What the? Okay, gap's filled. We're going to see if it holds. This is where all the buying's going to step in. There's a big order that came in.
I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up.
Yeah, the order is very thin around here.
Yeah, I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No one hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not any.
270. Wow.
I got it up. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone.
Ooh, man, this move is violent. Okay, I'm gonna do my last failed attempt here to average down, because the 270 seems to be a very strong support for some reason. Yeah. Better put like a TP in case this thing like reverses really hard. Yeah, that 270 level just was insane. Like they wanted to take it there, get some orders filled. It was very thin. Yeah, on the way down it was very thin. On the way up it's going to be thin as well.
I said you better watch what you're doing, cause I ain't gonna stop when I'm moving. I'm headed to the top, I'ma do it. I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it. And baby girl, I like what you're doing. Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it.
Yeah, they're pushing liquidity up.
Treat you right, let me prove it. And I could go all night. I'm sick of being nothing. All right, I'm gonna be something. All fight with every breath. Trust me, I'ma be the one at the top. You can't touch me. I need to.
Yeah, see that? Holy moly, I am out. Okay, I am out. I'm locking my account. So that was a crazy day. I am just under $2,500. Is it $2,500? No, $1,500. I'm gonna take Profit Trader to pass the eval account. Day one of my trading for Lucid in terms of funding, I'm up 2,300. Is that close? Is that the rules? Hold on here. Minimum daily profits 250. Minimum profit days is 5. No payouts. Yeah, the price from now going back up to 3, let's say like even 330 is very thin. Very little orders got triggered here. It was just a straight run through. So that was the move. If you guys were waiting for the gap to get filled to take some buys, you would need to set a pretty wide stop loss. We're talking about almost $25. But it played out.
Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Everybody knows my name, shit. I'ma have this whole fucking game list, spitting with the same wit, and I'm gonna be famous. Ain't nobody able to delay this. Coming up, I had a vision to make it. Never wanted to be nothing, always wanted to play shit. Sit in class, always wondering why I'm on the stage. How the hell am I different if we all know the same shit? I ain't never let them doubt me. It's about me. Keep my head down, let my mouth speak. They surround me. They all about the clout. See where the crowd be. Every time I speak loudly, they more about me. Man, you know I got a bounty on these lousy ass haters that surround me. Still they doubt me, they don't know nothing about me. Still their mouths free, I'ma change that soon. Better watch out now, see?
I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. And I just wanna be famous. Yeah. Yeah, I just wanna be the greatest. Yeah. Man, I just wanna be famous. Yeah.
And I'm not playing any more games. Either put me on the charts or I'll put you up in flames. Better recognize art, cause I don't forget names. Should've seen me from the start, coming at you like a train. Think I'm about to fall apart every single fucking day. Seeing all these damn stars with my well-deserved fame. And I spit these gold bars while they spitting out shit. Man, I give this shit hard, but it gives me back pain. I wanna be a spectacle, they skeptical. But man, I got the chemical, exceptional. I do it all intentional, professional. So I can make that decimal incredible. I'm not thinking, man, they're saying that I've gone insane. I'm not ever gonna make it cause the game has changed. I'm not good enough, man. No, that's not.
Like, I know this is a nasty new 1 hour candle that came in, right? Oops. Right? But because of this quick reaction, I believe this might actually turn bullish. Like, it's very thin in terms of the volume profile here. Not the greatest volume profile, but I think they're just going to reverse it. Traders must have a positive net profit, even just $1 during each payout cycle, in order to request a payout. This objective simply ensures traders have made at least some amount of money between requests. Okay. Minimum payout request, maximum payout request. Traders must request 50% of their account balance up to a maximum dollar amount. The max dollar amount depends on the account size and is laid out below. Number of requests per account. Traders may take up to 6 payouts from each Lucid Flex account, after which they will be moved to live. There is no buffer balance that must be maintained in Lucid Flex account. Unlike our other funded accounts, the maximum here do not scale up with more payouts. The table above shows the payout maximum for all requests. So I need to make $6,000 in profit between payouts. So I gotta make $1,200 a day to request a $3,000 payout. There's no buffer. Okay, important. If you take a trade before your payout is processed, okay, payout time to me. You may request a payout any day after me now. Oh. So the profit target will be $6,000, which is $1,200 per trading session if I want to follow the 5-day payout cycle. But is there a consistency rule on this? In Lucid evaluation accounts, you must, okay. But what about funded? You trade your 50K, okay. Please see below, for example, how cushion works. Oh, there's no consistency percentage? So I can make $6,000 right now and then just maintain $250 for the next 4 days. Well, that's good to know. Wow. That's good to know.
Just want you to trust me if you wanna be something. Yeah. Then all you really need is love. Take a look in the mirror, are you seeing some fear? You hear the voice in your ear, can you start to see clear? Are the bad thoughts near? Or can you be where your feet are when you stand right here and say no? I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up never loses to a foe. The one that could show to myself I could go all the way to the top, can't stop. I'm a soldier, always closer till it's over. Older, but I'm bolder, moving forward, older, never slower. Good to know ya, don't go make me drop my shoulder. You believe you can achieve everything that you dream.
Let's see what flow zone is saying here.
Now, right, we're going to come revisit these 40s now, and I will be looking to have a re-entry on these. So QQQ just closed its cash gap, I can show you, to the tick. And everyone's going to fucking talk nonsense all the time. Right, to the tick. Yellow line. Alright, we closed the gap, QQQ, back to IB. Instantly. What happened with everyone who said, well, why not just go long at the height? You just got eaten. You just got eaten, because you're not looking at the higher time frames. Right, still watching to see what happens at 40s. Do we bid? Is there still a buyer there? Or are we going to let go this whole thing and I'm going to look for the same trade I had earlier? Nothing's changed for me. I'm staying with my bias, I'm staying with my thesis all the time it's intact.
That's right. Sometimes all we really need is hope. She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something.
What the fuck?
Nothing. Alcoholic junkie.
Seriously?
Thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky. Spending too much
Seriously?
money. She says she wants my necklace. Put her on the guest list.
All right, guys, I'm gonna sign off on the stream here. If you're watching this sometime in the future and you're seeing where if this all possible when it comes to prop firm trading, I don't have any promotional codes and everything. I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to build a community and all that stuff when it comes to trading. I used to be part of the Forex family and everything with Raja Banks or Rakil or Uncle Ted, whatever you want to say it and all that stuff. I'm trying to make trading my full-time gig. It's going to take me a while to get there, but these prop firm trading opportunities is going to hopefully pave the way for me to get there. I'm just like you guys. If you guys just want to hang out, see what I'm doing, what I'm seeing, all that stuff, that's fine. That's cool. If you want to share your trading ideas and everything, by all means, I welcome it because I'm learning all different types of indicators on the Ninja Trader platform, the Quant Tower, the Trade of 8, Sierra Charts, Bookmap. There's so many tools out there that I don't know that can complement my trading style. Feel free to comment down below so I can take a look at it. But until then, guys, I'm going to be streaming during the daytime while my shifts are still in the evenings right now. So I'm going to see if I can keep up with this. Hopefully I can stay motivated and all that stuff. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'll keep her guessing until she aggressive. Always leaves them guessing.